Loránd Eötvös was a Hungarian physicist who combined delicate experimentation and deep physical insight to reveal hidden properties of gravity and surface tension. Born in 1848 in Buda, now part of Budapest, he began by studying law but soon turned to physics, pursuing studies in Heidelberg and later earning his doctorate under the mentorship of great scientists. As a professor in Budapest, Eötvös became internationally renowned for improving and perfecting the torsion balance, also called the Eötvös pendulum. With this instrument, he measured minute variations in gravitational force over the Earth's surface. Through this work, he demonstrated with unprecedented precision the equivalence of inertial mass and gravitational mass, a principle that would become central to Einstein's general relativity. Eötvös also investigated surface tension in liquids, discovering patterns in how tension changes with temperature, what became known as the Eötvös rule. He extended his explorations to the Eötvös effect, revealing how Earth's rotation slightly influences apparent weight depending on direction of motion. Beyond the lab, he served as Minister of Religion and Education, was president of the Hungarian Academy of Sciences, and was deeply involved in public and academic life. Institutions, units, and even craters bear his name today. Though he passed away in 1919, his work remains woven into how we measure gravity, understand Earth's structure, and anchor the principles of relativity. Please feel free to share if you enjoyed this video. Subscribe to the channel Atomic Gear for more scientific content.